Tired of stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? You're not alone. The good news is, you can lose belly fat fast, no fancy gym equipment or crazy diets needed. All you need is right at home. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the ultimate guide to burning stubborn fat and getting a flatter stomach. Let's get started. Tip 1. Focus on nutrition. The first and most important rule for losing belly fat is to clean up your diet. No matter how much you exercise, if you're eating processed foods, sugary snacks, or drinking calories in sodas and juices, that belly fat won't budge. Here's what to do instead. Cut back on sugar and refined carbs like white bread, pasta, pastries, as these spike insulin, which stores fat. Eat more protein like chicken, fish, eggs, and beans. These keep you full and boosts metabolism. Load up on fiber, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. These really help with digestion and reduce bloating. Stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. So make sure to drink more water. A simple rule is to eat whole unprocessed foods 80 to 90% of the time, and with time you'll see a huge difference in your waistline. Tip 2. High-intensity interval training. Burn fat in less time with exercise. But not just any exercise. You want workouts that torch calories and keep burning fat even after you're done. That's where HIIT comes in. HIIT workouts take about 20 to 30 minutes, and they burn more fat than steady cardio. No equipment needed for these workouts. Bodyweight exercises like sprints, jumping jacks, plank jacks work great. These workouts boost metabolism for hours. So try this. 30 seconds max effort, 30 seconds rest, repeat for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, and watch the fat melt away. Tip 3. Strength training. Build muscle to burn more fat. A lot of people think cardio is the only way to lose belly fat, but strength training is just as important. Why? Because muscle burns more calories at rest. Compound movements like squats, push-ups, and lunges work multiple muscles at once. Lift heavy if possible, as this challenges your body to build lean muscle. Here are a few home options to try: resistance bands, dumbbells, or just your body weight. Aim for 2 to 3 strength sessions per week. More muscle equals higher metabolism, which leads to less belly fat. Tip 4. Manage stress. Did you know stress and poor sleep can literally make you gain belly fat? It's true. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that loves storing fat around your midsection. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Lack of sleep disrupts hunger hormones like ghrelin. In order to reduce stress, try meditation, deep breathing, or even a 10-minute walk. You should also avoid late-night eating, as this gives your body time to digest before bed. So, if you're doing everything right but still not losing fat, check your stress and sleep. Tip 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Belly fat didn't appear overnight, and it won't disappear overnight either. But if you stick with these tips, you will see progress. Consider tracking your progress using photos, measurements, not just to scale your weight. Remember, small wins matter. Always celebrate every healthy choice. Avoid extreme diets, as they're unsustainable and can backfire. Trust the process. Stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll get there. Alright, let's recap. Clean up your diet, do HIIT and strength training, manage stress and sleep, and stay consistent. Do these 5 things, and you'll be on your way to a flatter, healthier stomach, all from home. So, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more fat loss tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with belly fat? See you in the next video.